Alright, so a healthy alpaca bite will just come to this top gum here, because that's how they snip, is bottom teeth against the top gum. So a healthy bite would come to about here. When it grows past like that, we trim it just so it'll be straight across like this, because they grow. The teeth actually grow. Okay. So we'll just set this guide in here. Straight across.
Does that hurt?
Healthy smile. Their teeth grow, so unless they grow, like if you don't keep up with it and they grow super long, like up to here, then they can grow blood vessels and stuff up in. That would probably hurt. But if you keep a healthy trim, then you're not hitting any vessels or anything in there.